Hello, my name is Ella Marshall, and two of the topics I have drawn on the most from the MGMT 102 subject are social media engagement and visual communication. Social media engagement is a tool that offers both advantages and disadvantages for the businesses who use aiming to interact with customers in the space. On the positive side, platforms enable two-way communication, allowing brands to connect directly with their audiences. These interactions with a post all increase the creator's presence and visibility beyond traditional marketing methods. A growing social media strategy is using entertainment to attract and retain customers, which is also a construct of the uses and gratifications theory. The theory is an approach to understanding why and how individuals actively seek out and use specific media to satisfy needs. By posting humorous, creative, or emotionally engaging content, businesses can build a stronger online presence and encourage users to interact with and remember the brand. This form of content is more shareable, allowing businesses to reach wider audiences more organically. However, this can face challenges, as once content is shared publicly, businesses lose control over how it is interpreted or altered, which can potentially lead to misrepresentations. The topic of social media engagement is something I believe to be important. It is a key factor in being able to engage with younger generations, especially if those are the target audience for the business or the product. The construct of entertainment to market is one that I use. By creating videos that showcase the experience of a night out and videos that are humorous, it always engages with people on social media who then genuinely feel more inclined to come out into the venue I promote throughout the week. Now, visual communication plays a crucial role in effectively conveying information, particularly when presenting data through documents or presentations. It is the incorporation of data, text, and graphics to transmit a message to an intended audience. A well-designed communication piece combines these aspects to enhance understanding or engagement. To do this successfully, the communicator must have a clear grasp of the message, a clear grasp of the needs of the audience, and a clear grasp of the best format for delivering the information. Graphics are especially valuable because they allow the audience to see patterns and trends more easily than a large block of text or complex data tables. By applying visual design principles such as contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity, communicators can create visuals that are not only more attractive but also more meaningful and that tell a story. For example, using contrast can draw attention to key points such as underlining specific words or phrases or making something bigger than everything else. This grabs people's attention as it sticks out from the rest and it gives it the meaning as being more important. Alignment and proximity can be used to help people be able to group related information together and logically, while repetition ensures consistency, simplicity, and avoids clutter that could distract from the overall message. These are important features to ensure are done correctly, leading to a more effective campaign. I use these techniques in graphic design currently in my class. I aim to follow down the graphic design path and have a career that involves it. I would then, just as I am doing now, be conscious of different design principles and what they mean for the audience who perceives them. Whether it is a marketing campaign or a promotional piece I will be working on or something else entirely, using these principles and knowledge of the audience and knowledge of what would be the best way to convey this information will help create an effective and enjoyable piece. I chose these two topics as they are extremely current to me in both my education and career. I knew that after learning the topics that I would further be able to explain how they apply to me and how I can use these topics and apply them to scenarios I may encounter. They have aided my current work I am undertaking, allowing me to perform in a more professional manner, and I enjoy learning about them. Thank you.